Hello and welcome to another tutorial of VertexFX Client Terminal. Today, we're going to explore the Market Watch, view the charts and learn how to open trades through the charts. To view the Market Watch, go to the View tab and select Market Watch. Now you can view the Market Watch with all available currencies. For example, let's say we want to open the chart for Australian dollar to US dollar. Simply select the symbol, right-click, and choose the chart option. And there you go, the Australian dollar to US dollar chart is now open. Now, if you wish to open a chart for gold, type XAU/USD in the search bar below the Market Watch. Just like that, select the symbol, right-click, and choose the chart option. Now you can view the gold chart. Moving on, let's learn how to buy and sell directly from these charts. Head back to Home tab and click on New Position. Select your lot size. For beginners, it's recommended to start with 0.01, the micro-mini size, indicated in red for selling and green for buying. Choose your lot size, and if you're initiating a sell trade, click on Sell. You'll see your trade size open at the current price. Now, let's explore the convenient option of closing positions. Whether you have 1 or 10 trades open, you can close them simultaneously with just one click. Simply click on Close Select Position on the left side below. If you prefer a more selective approach, you can individually close positions by single-clicking on the trade you wish to close and then pressing Close Position. Likewise, if you want to close all trades at once, click on Select All Positions and then close Confirm and your positions will be closed. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the notifications.